When was the last time you searched for something on Google? In the past month, week, or maybe even earlier today? Google Search lets people search for what they want and find what they need. But how is this relevant to your business? Imagine that you sell children's clothing. When a potential customer searches for onesies for babies, you probably want your business to show up there. Google Search includes both organic search results and search ads. Organic results are free listings that appear when they're relevant and valuable to what someone is searching for. Search ads usually show above the organic results. They contain a small ad box and provide helpful info that also matches the search term. They also allow you to control and customize the message. In this video, you'll learn about search ads and understand the metrics that matter most to your search campaigns. Search campaigns help businesses like yours stand out to potential customers who search for what you offer. Since these campaigns show ads to people with high intent, it's more likely that they'll find your ad helpful and click it, which helps you meet your business goals. When running a search campaign, it's important to familiarize yourself with a few basic metrics. Cost is how much you're paying for a specific campaign, a specific ad group, or even a specific keyword. Impressions are the number of times people have seen your ad. Clicks are how many times people clicked your ad. These three metrics alone can help you compare performance between different campaigns, keywords, or ads. Click-through rate, or CTR, is how many people clicked your ad out of the number of people who saw it. A higher click-through rate usually means that your ad is more relevant or attractive. Average cost per click, or average CPC, is your cost divided by the number of clicks on your ad. A higher average CPC for a specific keyword often means that the keyword is relatively competitive and has a high number of advertisers bidding on it. Remember that search campaigns are focused on getting people to take action. These actions are called conversions. A conversion is a specific customer activity that's valuable to your business, such as an online purchase or a phone call. Conversion rate is the number of conversions divided by the number of clicks. In other words, how many people completed the goals that are important to your business out of the number of people who clicked your ad. Testing different landing pages and comparing their conversion rates can help you understand which user experience is easier or more attractive to your customers. You can then take these learnings and replicate them on other landing pages. Cost per conversion is the cost divided by the number of conversions. Knowing the average cost per conversion will allow you to understand your return on investment from Google Ads. Don't forget that your main metrics depend on your marketing and media objectives. If you want to drive engagement with your website, clicks, CTR, and average CPC are important metrics you should focus on. If you want to drive conversions, your top metrics should be conversions, cost per conversion, and conversion rate. It's important to remember that conversions are usually harder to obtain than clicks. Conversion rates vary based on the product or service that you're selling and on the type of action defined as a conversion. Understanding these metrics is essential to measuring the performance of your Google Ads account. Now that you know your search basics, it's time to learn how the Google Ads auction works.